So if you thought the first 4 Oliver Mtukudzi songs we've covered were hectic, wait until you see this one. And the song's name is Mukuru, meaning the older one. So the parent chords are G, Mukuru, and then C, D, B minor, and then G, right? But as usual in Africa, we don't play chords like that. We break them down into arpeggios and make nice melodies out of it. So starting from the G, these are the string numbers that he's playing. Normal G, and then 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 3, right? And then we go to C, normal C, and then the string numbers he's playing are 2, 5, 4, and then you remove everything and then 2 again. So it would be like, right? And then immediately after that we go to the D. So the D is playing is called a D6. He's just putting just one finger there. And then you play string numbers 3, 4, 5, 2, right? And then after that, the way he's playing the B minor is very interesting. For now, you can just play put a finger here. So it's like a power chord starting from here and here. 5th string, 4th string, you leave a fret in between, and then you play the strings 4, 5, 6, and then you leave everything, and then you play 4. So it would be like 4, 5, 6, 4. And then when you start again the cycle from the G, it's almost the same, but he's playing a G6. You put that finger there, and then you don't hold anything on the high E string. So it's like string numbers 6, 5, 4, 3, 1, 2, right? And then you go to the C. The string numbers you play are like 2, 5, 4, and then the rest is the same as the first cycle. That's the only difference. If you're getting confused, I know this is difficult to just grasp like this. So if you're getting confused, don't be afraid to send me a direct message or put it in the comments, and then I will send my contacts and we can do some WhatsApp lessons where I send you a bunch of videos and we'll take everything step by step. And I've got a very big surprise for you. Magic is the electric guitar. So the guitar part goes like this. So for you to be able to play that, you have to know a few things. The first thing is that the instruments that we play in Africa, like the mbira, marimba, ngoma, and stuff like that, do not have sustain. So their notes do not ring, ba, and it keeps going. They cut away very quickly. Imagine if you hit the marimba. So that's what we're trying to do on the guitar here. So the way you play it, instead of letting the note ring like, you should put a little bit of flesh of your palm on top of the string, just a tiny bit close to the bridge, and then you mute it. So that is called muting. And then the second thing that you have to know is the G major scale on a C shape. So it sounds something like this. Right? And then so the notes that you are playing are from that scale because the song is in the key of G. The scale you play is the G major scale. So these are the notes he's playing.